Almost no one knows that secret. Make snacks like that next time. In a container, add 500 grams of wet flour. Open a small space in the middle of the flour and add 10 grams of organic yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt, 200 ml of warm milk, 300 ml of warm water, and now mix everything very well. When the dough is like this, add 1 egg, a little more water and stir again. When you get to that point, we can't stop mixing with the spoon and start mixing with your hands. Stir the dough for about 3 minutes, and when it's in this consistency, stop stirring and cover with plastic film and let rest for about 1 hour. After that time, remove the plastic film, and with the help of a spatula, we will remove all the air from this mess. It's perfect, and now just reserve the dough next door. Here in the video I'm using a pet bottle and I'm going to cut the lid, making a hole in the middle. The size of the bottle is your preference. It may be the one you have at home. There are 2 ways to fill this bottle, and the first is with a funnel, adding the dough gradually and use something to push the dough in. The second option is using pastry bag, and this one I found easier. Just put your bake in the bottle and squeeze. Now just cap the bottle and add in hot oil. Here I'm using scissors and wetting the blade in the oil. Just go cutting the dough and throw in the hot oil. Now just remove and take to drain the oil on a paper towel. Look how amazing this snack looks. It's delicious and there's no way to resist it. Do it at your home, that I'm sure you all love. I hope you enjoyed. This was another little recipe from the Poor in the Kitchen. That strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.